Hi guys, this is a quick tutorial for showing you how to install the CERN root into your latest Ubuntu 16.04 system here. In this tutorial, I will use the CMake program to demonstrate the installation processes. And of course, you can still use the traditional configure then make and make installed process, and that's still available in the root version 6, and but it's recommended to use CMake. Okay, so first of all, this is a testing Ubuntu system, so I just newly installed this one here. So because there will be no required package inside this system. So first of all, you have to do is to go to the prerequisites and to check what the thing you need to install here. So in my system is Ubuntu 16, so I need to install all the following things here. And the web page also give you the command to just copy and paste, and you will make all the required package install into your system. Also, shows the optional package here, and you don't need all the optional package. So here, so I create a folder called myPrograms, and inside I already downloaded, so don't worry, I will go to that part first, but we will handle the required package here. So you copy and paste and type in your password because I already installed. So in this page, you will shows I already got all the things that installed here. And also I would like to try a little bit pyroot, so I can just use this one here. Okay, so I can do this part. Okay, so if you are the first time to install this thing here, this programs, you just type yes, 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 or enter, enter, enter. So this is very easy stuff process. So then you just go to the CERN root to download the source. For example, like this one here, the version 6.08. Okay, so you download it. So thing is, I already removed it. However, it will look like root-60.8.00 and .tar.gz here, like this guy here. So what you need to do is on tar the zip file, just type x extract f. Well, that means you will put a file name in it. The z is zipped it. Okay, so type in this. So that type in your .tar.gz, that will be down here. Then probably you go directly with this folder here. So then we will use a CMake to build our system. Traditionally, the root would use configures. So if you want to use traditional way, it's fairly easy. So I will show you very quick. So go here and you type. You can see here this program here configures. You just type configure, and you will produce the make file according to the library you have in your system. Okay, so you will just type make here, and all the thing is down here. So if you want to have use CMake program like the root web page recommend, you have to build your you are recommended to build your own build the folder here, because this is a source code and this all the thing we build here, and later we can remove the source and just leave this part. Okay, so you're going to do is to create a folder. So make a folder like testing build. Okay, so you go inside the test build folder, and the command is super easy. You just type CMake, and because our folder is the source file is in here. The source file means that cpp.h or what else is or data some text file is in here. So we will use CMake to tell where is the source. So just type in I think it's upper directory, then type this, then type enter, and you will, according to your system, to make the right make file for you. In the Linux system, you will in this case it will produce the make file, the installation script for you here. So you will testing which package you have or what kind of package you don't have. Then for example, you don't have that optional package here, you will not install that optional program for you. Okay, so I think it take a little bit longer. Okay, so then you got the make file here, so you can see a make file here. You just create it. Okay, so then the thing is that you all have the make file. Just use make program to make. In this case, I will use a make -j2. That means I use a true core to process this installation process. That will be a little bit faster. Okay, so here, because I already installed, it will run quite a long time, so I just stop here. Okay, I hope it doesn't make my program unhappy. Obviously still can work. Alright, okay, so one thing I noticed that you use CMake process, it doesn't copy the test directory in the source to it. I feel like it's still very useful, so I would copy that, because there are a lot of code, or how if you want to get some reference, you can go to the test folder. So I would go to this folder and copy, because this directory, so I need to use a recursive and copy to here. Okay, so let's just show you here. It will like a lot of testing stuff here, but it's a very good reference, so I really like it. So for example, you can see, let's take hello.css. You will see a lot of demonstration how to use this code, how to use the class. That's very useful. So I recommend you copy this after you make here. Okay, so in this, if you run this command, all the installation is finished. So you suppose go to the bin directory in your test build here, because it's not finished. So let's go to the one I already built. Okay, go to this guy. Here is finished. So go to the bin here, and you will see where is that? This. Okay, don't worry. Source, this root. Where is T? It disappeared. Okay, as such. Anyway, yes, it's there, but I can. Oh yeah, okay, here. Okay, so you source that, the root will recognize where the environmental variable is. Okay, so you tell this script set up the environmental variable, so the system will know where's the root program. So you just type root, and all the thing is there. Okay, so next thing is you can edit the bashrc script. Where is my bashrc? Okay, sorry, I messed up something. Okay, so libxext bashrc here. Okay, so this two line you can add to here. So every time you open a new terminal, you will read your bashrc script here. This is a bash file. Okay, so in the end, I add that because every time you need to run the root, you need to get the script, source the script here. This is root script, so it's not convenient for me. So I would recommend to just source the file that automatically when you open the terminal, then I make an alias. Use a -l because I don't want the welcome screen for me here. Okay. For example, if you don't do this, you will have this welcome screen here. Actually, I don't like that, so I would use alias. Okay, that's fairly quick. So I think that's the end, and just a little bit more for you. So in root version 6, it has more and more documentaries, and you can go to tutorials, and this is a very good resource for you to learn how to use the root. For example, I recently I want to learn the pyroot, so I can go here, and you can use Python to do very similar stuff from the root. For example, like this, you can get that, and you can read the source code like simple. Okay, so this is a fairly Python syntax. I feel I like Python because they don't have the issue of pointer, so it make life a little bit easier. And you have a very nice looping. You have a source of dictionary. Um, you don't need to use C++ like map. I think that's easier. Okay. Alright, I think that's all what I want to say for this short tutorial for installation. So just make a summary very quick. So this is Ubuntu 16.04 and installed the CERN root version 6 here. So first you need to get the required the package. Then if you have another optional package you want to install, you just look at that, download the root, then make a folder called your build folder. You can make any name of it. So you go to that folder, so type CMake, then link to the source file path, then make it create the make file for you, then you type make, then you can add your bashrc file, and you can enjoy the function of the root right now. Thank you very much.